Good day, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapusai Bonde High School, Lonavala. Subject English 2. Myself, Teacher Arpana Borkar. I have come up with a new video of English 2. Topic Comprehension. So, students, what is comprehension? The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you listen or what you read in a passage or paragraph. So students, let's begin. Open to page number 133 of your English 2 textbook. Students, what images can you see? Gadgets, mobile, telephone, fax machine, laptop, computer. Students, what is the use of these machines? Yes, we use these machines for communication. Let's read the passage given. Man is a social animal. He cannot survive without company. Hence, he has made a lot of progress in the field of transport and communication so that he can always be in touch with his near and dear ones who are far away from him. So, dear students, what the passage is saying, man is a social animal. Social animal means he loves to live in a society with other human beings. He cannot survive without company. Students, can we stay or live alone whole of our life without our parents, friends, relatives? No. So we need all our near and dear ones with us. Hence, man has made a lot of progress in the field of transport and communication. Students, what is transport and communication? Transport means movement of people from one place to another. On the other hand, communication is the passing of information from one source to another. So, due to transport and communication, we are always in touch to our near and dear ones who are far away from us. Communication today is so easy and quick that the world has come closer. Telephone, fax, and internet help an individual to communicate with a person who is miles away. Students, communication has become very easy. How? Because of internet, mobiles. Even our relatives, friends, and near and dear ones who are far away from a city, maybe a state or a country, still in a minute we can have communication with them with the help of mobile or internet. Means of communication has also helped the nation to progress. Today, people can know the news and various activities of other nation in just a few seconds. Today, people know the news and various activities. How, dear students? Because of mobile phone and internet, and also because of television too. We are really grateful to science as it has made our life comfortable. But at the same time, we should know that there are two sides of science. Science has also contributed to destruction. Ultimately, it is our choice as how we use science. So, dear students, because of science, and new technologies, our life has become very easy and very comfortable. But dear students, at the same time, we should know that there are two sides of science, advantage and disadvantages. That is one good and other is bad side. Science has advantages and disadvantages also. But we have to choose advantages of science. Students, let's begin with our exercise on page number 134 of your English 2 textbook. Let's see the questions. Question 1. Why has man made progress in the field of communication? Answer. Man is a social animal. He cannot survive without company. Hence, he has made a lot of progress in the field of transport and communication. Question 2. What are the commonly used means of communication? Answer. Mobiles, telephone, emails, letters, telegram, television, newspaper, radio are the commonly used means of communication. Question 3. How has the world come closer? Answer. Because of easy and quick communication, the world has come closer. Question 4. Explain the two sides of science. Which one will you choose? Answer. Science has two sides, advantages and disadvantages. I will choose advantages of science. Students, we have completed with the exercise. Students, I hope you must have liked the video and also understood what is comprehension and how we get the questions related to the comprehension and how we have to answer them. Thank you for watching and also subscribe the channel for the further notification. Thank you.